Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. It is Meanwell S150-15 15 volt 10 ampere power supply. It is not providing the required voltage. The output is low. Let's see what is the problem. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because here are live voltage. Always take care for the safety. I will apply power using series lamp. We will monitor the lamp condition while repairing and while testing. Let's start. You can see the lamp turned on and then it is normal. The LED is powered on. DC voltage positive and common 9.87, and if I try to adjust, it is not controlling the voltage. When we remove the cover, always take care for the safety, because most of the time these capacitors hold charge. We will not touch any component until we are confident that there are no voltage. Check voltage on these capacitors. Discharged, discharged. It is TL494 based power supply. Pin number 12 VCC, 7 ground, 14 reference. So we need to verify VCC and reference. Pin number 12 and 14. Never touch any component when power is applied. 7 is ground. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3.6 volt. 14, 15, 16. And no reference voltage. This IC is not switching, because when it receives voltage, it must take start and it must provide 5 volt at reference pin. Its startup circuit is working good, power stage is good. We have problem here in this IC. So in this scene, when we have supply voltage and we don't have reference voltage, that means this IC is damaged. In the first step, we will replace this IC. When it receives power from this startup circuit, at that time this IC must take control for further regulation, but this time this IC is not responding. So we will replace this IC. If here are high voltage, we must discharge these capacitors. TL494. I will use this IC. Let's check the result. DC voltage, $11.68. Yes, we have 15 volt now, and these are regulated. Now we can see we received exact 15 volt and these are regulated. The problem, this IC. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.